Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Ten health benefits of pomegranates according to dietitians. On our long list of fall favorite foods, pomegranate is pretty high up there. Not only is this fruit a stunner with its gorgeous deep red hue, but it also packs a punch of flavor and sweetness into its tiny seeds, aka arils. Another pomegranate benefit? It adds the perfect pop of fun to salads and parfaits. And as if that wasn't enough, it's healthy too. Pomegranates, which are native to Iran and northern India, but are now grown extensively in warm weather Mediterranean climates and certain parts of the United States, are celebrated for being low in calories but high in fiber, antioxidants, and other vitamins and minerals. It's a win-win-win in the aesthetic flavor nutrition department, which has us swooning over these stunners all season long. Meet the experts. Abigail Collin, RD, is a registered dietitian at Mount Sinai in New York City. Rebecca Sarek, RD, is a California-based registered dietitian who works to connect leading grocery retailers to their consumers through culinary-developed and inspired meals. Let's dive deeper into the nutrition numbers, shall we? Here's how the nutrients shake out for a half cup of pomegranate seeds. According to USDA data, calories, 72, fat, 1 gram, saturated, fat, 0.1 gram, carbohydrates, 16 grams, sodium, 2.6 milligrams, sugar, 11.9 grams, fiber, 3.48 grams, protein, 1.45 grams, potassium, 205 milligrams. To address the elephant in the room, yes, pomegranates are higher in sugar than other fruits. For comparison, a half cup of raspberries has only 3 grams compared to around 12 grams in pomegranates. But, and this is important, fruits like pomegranate also have fiber that helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This is why Abigail Collin, RD, a registered dietitian at Mount Sinai, never counsels her clients to avoid sugar from whole fruits. Over the past few decades, diet culture has taught us to fear sugar in all its forms, explains Collin. However, the wide variety of vitamins and minerals as well as the fiber you get with fruits far outweighs the perceived cost of the slightly higher sugar content. Speaking of those vitamins and minerals, let's dive into all those health benefits of pomegranates. Health benefits of pomegranates. They're antioxidant rich. Pomegranates are chock full of polyphenols, anthocyanins, punicolagens, and hydrolyzable tannins, containing potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants, in turn, help protect against free radicals, which, in science speak, are molecules which have had a breakage in their chemical bond, making them unstable, highly reactive, and capable of causing cell damage that manifests as aging and disease. By working to eliminate free radicals, pomegranates help decrease cellular damage and fight off disease. And get this, pomegranates boast more antioxidant potential than red wine or green tea. Not too shabby, right? 2, they may help protect heart health. Certain studies have shown that pomegranate extract may help lower blood pressure by reducing LDL, the bad cholesterol, and boosting HDL, the good cholesterol. LDL is labeled bad because of the elevated levels of lipoprotein, which can build up in arteries and increase our risk for heart attacks or strokes. HDL, on the other hand, helps the body eliminate excess cholesterol in the blood by bringing it to the liver for excretion. By helping reduce LDL and boost HDL, pomegranates may help protect against cardiovascular disease, aka heart disease. 3, and they may have some anti-cancer properties too. While no food can definitively prevent or cure cancer, if only, there has been promising research conducted on the effects of pomegranate juice, fruit, and/or extract on prostate cancer cells, as well as breast cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, and skin cancer. 4, they may help boost exercise endurance. Remember those polyphenols we talked about earlier? Well, there are studies showing that pomegranate in extract form may help increase exercise endurance by increasing total time to exhaustion, as well as time to reach ventilatory threshold. But early evidence points to the fact that pomegranate in certain forms may help with exercise, endurance and muscle recovery, similar to the effects of beets. 5. They help support urinary health. Oxidative stress is a risk factor for kidney stones. Pomegranate juice, with its antioxidant properties and anti-inflammatory effects, has been shown to help prevent the formation of kidney stones, possibly. 6. They're packed with potassium. 205 milligrams per half cup to be exact. Potassium serves many functions in the body, says Colin, including facilitating nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and helping maintain blood pressure. 7. They may help boost brain function. Inside the peel and seeds of the pomegranate is an anti-inflammatory polyphenol called L-glutanins, which influence our gut-brain axis. Specifically, pomegranates are being studied for their protective effects against common forms of dementia like Alzheimer's disease. 8. They're gut-friendly. Pomegranates boast some seriously impressive benefits when it comes to digestive health as well. Shout out to all that fiber to keep things moving along. It also helps that pomegranates have some prebiotic properties. As a reminder, prebiotics feed probiotics, the good bacteria in the gut. The good microbes in our gut benefit from the fiber and polyphenols in pomegranates as a source of prebiotics. As a result, the good microbes flourish, decreasing inflammation and improving intestinal health. Nine, they help support immunity. Prebiotics aren't just gut-friendly. By keeping our gut bacteria fed, we can help improve digestion and even immunity. The high vitamin C count doesn't hurt either. In a half cup of pomegranate seeds, you'll rake in 8.87 milligrams, which is 11.8% of the recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for adult women. 10. And they may help ease joint pain, arthritis included. Feeling a little achy and stiff? Pomegranates may help. In extract form, pomegranate has been shown to help inhibit inflammatory cytokines or small proteins, which can contribute to osteoarthritis and joint disease. Do pomegranates help boost weight loss? Pomegranates aren't typically touted for their effects on weight loss because TBH, the jury's still out on this one. That said, because they're naturally low in calories and high in fiber, they will help you to feel fuller, longer, while contributing to a caloric deficit. The fact that they're gut-friendly may also play a role in the weight loss department. Our gut microbiomes are a huge contributor to having a balanced weight, says Sarak, because they take care of our digestive health and help keep our blood sugar under control. Ultimately, what's most important in any weight loss or weight management protocol is swapping ultra-processed foods for whole, natural, nutrient-dense fruits, pomegranates included, and vegetables, which will nearly always lead to improved health functioning. Unfortunately, there's no one magic food that is going to cause weight loss. However, a diet high in fiber-rich, whole foods will certainly improve your health and could lead to some weight loss. While the potential health benefits of pomegranates are impressive, there is such a thing as too much of a good thing, especially given the fruit's higher sugar content. Plus, you should be cautious if you're taking medications. Certain compounds in fruits like pomegranate or grapefruit could interact with other drugs or impact their potency, so be sure to check with your doctor, especially if you're on ACE inhibitors, statins, or blood thinners. Do pomegranate seeds and pomegranate juice have the same health benefits? You'll get more fiber with the whole pomegranate seed. And more fiber equals better digestion and satiety, plus more stable blood sugar. But that doesn't mean we need to shun fruit juice entirely. In fact, in juice form, you'll get a higher concentration of antioxidants and a whole lot of vitamin C and vitamin K. If you're going to drink pomegranate juice, Sirac recommends pairing it with foods that contain fiber to balance out the sugar intake. Smoothie, anyone? Alternatively, try cutting the pomegranate juice with sparkling water to add a pop of flavor while minimizing sugar. How to get pomegranate seeds out. There's no shortage of internet debate on the best way to remove arils from the pomegranate without staining your countertops or clothing. So, we asked the WH Test Kitchen to break down the best way. Fill up a large bowl of water, cut the pomegranate in half, then submerge it in water. From there, carefully peel out the seeds using your fingers. While the seeds should sink to the bottom, the white part of the flesh should rise to the top. Once done, skim off the white flesh and toss out, then drain, and voila! You're left with bright red gems to sprinkle on salads, yogurt, dips, and more. Once de-seeded, the arils will stay fresh in an airtight container for up to a week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information and healthy food recipes around the world.
Afsan Farm Kitchen.
AFK.